Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to draft a pattern for an easy fitting jacket and sleeves. So all the measurements that you're going to need will be linked below. So to start, you're going to want to draw a straight line down your page and then square it across. Then mark the point on the line intersection as 0. So from 0, you're going to measure down the nape to waist measurement plus 3 centimeters and then mark this point as 1. So now draw a straight line out from 1. So from 1, you're going to measure down the waist to hip measurement and mark this point as 2. So again, from 2, you're going to draw out a straight line. So back at 0, you're going to measure across 1/4 of the bust measurement and then add 4.5 centimeters and then mark this point as 3. So from 3, you're going to draw a straight line down your page and mark in points 4 and 5 on the lines drawn out from 1 and 2. So from 0, you're going to measure down 2 centimeters and mark this point as 6. So from 6, you're going to measure down the arm's eye depth and add 4 centimeters and then mark this point as 7. So from 7, you're going to draw a straight line across your page until you hit the line drawn down from 3 and then mark this intersection as 8. So from 6, you're going to measure down halfway between 6 and 7 and then mark this point as 9. So from 9, you're going to draw a straight line across your page. So from 6, measure down 1/4 of the way from 6 to 9 and take away 0.25 centimeters and then mark this point as 10. So from 10, you're going to draw a straight line across your page. So back at 0, you're going to measure across 1/5 of the neck size plus 0.4 centimeters and then mark this point as 11. So now you're going to draw in your neckline by joining points 11 and 6 with a curved line. So from 7, you're going to measure across half of the back width plus 2.5 centimeters and then mark this point as 12. So from 12, you're going to draw a straight line up your page and then mark in points 13 and 14 on the lines drawn out from 9 and 10. So at 14, you're going to measure across 1.5 centimeters and mark this point as 15. So now you're going to join points 11 and 15 with a straight line, and this is going to create your shoulder line. So now using a curved ruler, you're going to draw in your arm's eye, making sure that you're hitting points 15, 13 and 8. So that is the back section complete. So now what you're going to do is you're going to start the front section, but you're actually going to be working over the back section. So it's going to be the same pattern, just tweaked slightly. So from 0, you're going to measure down 1/5 of the neck size plus 0.4 centimeters and then mark this point as 16. So now using a curved ruler, you're going to draw in the neckline by joining points 11 and 16 together. So at 13, you're going to measure in 0.75 centimeters and mark this point as 17. So at 14, you're going to draw in a new line 0.75 centimeters below the line at 14. At 11, you're going to measure down the same length of the line joining 11 to 15, but this time you're going to measure it down to that new line that you've drawn out under 14, and then when you hit this point, you're going to mark it as 18. So then using your ruler, join points 11 and 18 together, and this is going to form your front shoulder line. So now using a curved ruler, you're going to draw in your front arm's eye by joining points 18, 17 and 8. and that is the front pattern finished. So I recommend that you draw in the back and the front features with two different colours, and this is just going to stop you getting confused between the two. So now you can go ahead and mark in all your information on your pattern, and then we can start on the sleeve. To start the sleeve, you're going to draw a straight line down your page and then mark in a starting point as 0. So from 0, you're going to measure down half the measurement from 6 to 7 on the bodice pattern plus 1 centimetre, and then mark this point as 1. So draw a straight line out from 1. From 0, you're going to measure down the sleeve length plus 1 centimetre, and then mark this point as 2. And then again, from 2, you're going to draw out a straight line. So on your bodice pattern, you're going to measure the arm's eye from points 15 to 8, and then you're going to go back to 0 on your sleeve pattern, and you're going to use this measurement to get point 3 on the line drawn out from 1. Then using your ruler, you're going to join points 0 and 3 together. So from 2, you're going to measure across 2/3 of the measurement from 1 to 3 plus 0.5 centimetres and mark this point as 4. So now using your ruler, join points 3 and 4 together. So now going back to the top of the sleeve, you're going to want to divide that line from 0 to 3 into 6 sections and mark each point as 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So at 5, you're going to measure down 0.5 centimetres and just mark in this point. At points 8 and 9, you're going to measure up by 1.5 centimetres, and again, just mark in with a point. So now using a curved ruler, you're going to draw in the sleeve head, hitting all of your points, including the ones you just marked in. Watch the video carefully because it explains it a little bit better, and this will create your back sleeve head. So now for the front sleeve head, at 5 you're going to measure down 0.75 centimetres and mark in this point. And then at 8 and 9 you're going to measure up by 1.75 centimetres and mark in these points. So now using your curved ruler, you're going to draw in all of these points together. And again, just watch the video carefully as it's easier to follow than what I'm explaining. And that is the sleeve pattern finished. So again, I recommend using two different colours to mark out the front and the back features, and then fill in all your information. So from here you can trace out the front and the back patterns onto a new sheet to create individual patterns, or you could keep this working pattern for later. So if you have any questions, you can hit me up in the comment section below, or you can find me over on my Instagram page at @theDesignDiary_. I always forget that. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button as it really supports my channel, and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.